Hi everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to connect your Phantom wallet to the Dexscreener. If you want to track token performance and trading activity directly, we will walk you through linking your wallet safely and easily. On the Phantom wallet dashboard, go to the lower right part of the screen and find the search option. Click it. Once you click that, search for Dexscreener. Then select this one. Once it loads, go to the lower left part of your screen. You will see a gear button next to your username. Click that, then click Connect Wallet. Here, you can see the Phantom wallet is already installed and ready to use. For your account, click Connect. This will start the verification process. There will be 2 sign-in messages. Confirm both of them. Now, verify your signature. That's it. Your wallet is now connected to Dexscreener. To confirm, go back and check the Share button. The wallet is connected. You can also sign in with Google if you prefer. Your Phantom wallet is now connected, and the screener will give you real-time insights into your tokens and trades. With this setup, you can monitor your crypto portfolio more efficiently.